With eyes that will pierce your soul and a personality that will win your heart over, the Siberian Husky is a magnificent breed that is hard to resist. Let's look over some Siberian Husky statistics and facts about a dog that will not only fill your home but also your life. 1. There are an estimated 1 million to 5 million Huskies in the world. Of the 1 million to 5 million Huskies in the world, the majority of the registered Huskies live in the United States. 2. Huskies can tolerate temperatures as cold as -75 degrees Fahrenheit, -60 degrees Celsius. They can even withstand wind chills as cold as -100 degrees Fahrenheit, -73 degrees Celsius. 3. Siberian Huskies rank first in the list of most talkative breeds in the world. Huskies are extremely vocal. Owning a Husky guarantees constant entertainment and chatter in the house without a single dull moment. 4. Siberian Husky registrations have been on a steady decline since 1990. Based on all available AKC stats from 1990 to 2009, Siberian Husky registrations have been on a steady decline since 1990. However, Siberian Huskies became the 12th most registered dog breed in 2015, 2016, and 2017, so registrations probably spiked during those years. So, let's share the love by encouraging more people to get a Siberian Husky. 5. Huskies can smell up to 12 miles away. Siberian Huskies can detect scents from approximately 12 miles away or about 20 kilometers. No wonder they are always trying to escape. 6. The Siberian Husky is the 21st most owned breed in the US, as of 2022. According to the most popular dog breeds of 2022, Siberian Huskies came in 21st out of 199 different breeds. This number is based on the AKC's dog registrations. Note, the Siberian Husky's highest rank is 12th back in 2015, 2016, and 2017. 7. The Siberian Husky AKC rank has been on a roller coaster for the last 30 years. 8. The Siberian Husky's howl can be heard up to 10 miles away. Next time your Husky is howling, go for a drive 10 miles away and see if you can still hear them. 9. Since 2016, Huskies have constituted 3% of fatal dog bites and have resulted in 13 deaths. Huskies in general are so friendly and sweet that they make terrible guards and watchdogs, as they would rather welcome everyone home with open paws. However, they can very well put up a fight if provoked. Although not one of the biggest, they're definitely one of the strongest breeds in the world. They have a bite force of 320 psi. 10. Huskies and Husky mixes make for one of the most abandoned breeds in shelters in several parts of North America. According to the Dodo, since Game of Thrones first aired in 2011, shelters and rescue groups across the country have experienced a spike in surrendered and abandoned Huskies, Husky mixes, and similar breeds. How was Game of Thrones stated as the culprit? It's because many of the dogs were showing up with names from the show, such as Sansa, Stark, Ice, and Ghost. 11. About 40% of Huskies have blue eyes. Did you know that all Husky puppies are actually born with blue eyes? They change color eventually. A mutation called ALZ4 reduces the pigment in the Husky's eyes and makes them appear blue. They're not actually blue, but appear so because of how the eyes absorb and reflect light, just like how the sky appears blue from Earth. 12. Connecticut and Washington have the highest number of Husky owners in the US. Connecticut and Washington folks have a soft side towards this fur ball. The Husky is also the proposed state dog of Washington. 13. The Husky intelligence ranking came in as the 45th smartest dog breed for obedience and working IQ. Huskies are famous for their stubborn streak all over the world. They may have average intelligence and willingness for obedience, but what actually makes the Husky smart is their ability to effectively communicate with humans and work with them. Their aptitude for human-canine partnership is far higher than several other breeds. Stanley Coren, a professor of canine psychology at the University of British Columbia, ranked all dog breeds by working and obedience intelligence in his book called The Intelligence of Dogs. Huskies are ranked 45th, tied equal intelligence with the Bichon Frise and King Charles Spaniel. This rank classifies them as having average working intelligence. However, we secretly know that Huskies are actually way smarter than most dogs because they choose to do their own thing. They are too smart for our silly obedience tricks. 14. Togo, a Siberian Husky, was voted the world's most heroic animal by Time magazine in 2011. Togo, the Siberian Husky, rose to fame after he led a team of sled dogs across hundreds of miles to deliver diphtheria antitoxin to the town of Nome, Alaska, during an outbreak of the disease in 1925. Did you know, Togo was so rowdy and misbehaved that his owner actually gave him away at 6 months of age? However, this escape artist ran several miles back to his owner. It was this loyalty and resilience that made his owner keep Togo for life. 15. Huskies can cover over 150 miles, 241 kilometers, with an average speed of 10 miles per hour or 16 kilometers per hour. Although not the fastest, Huskies can cover the longest distance at a consistent speed compared to any other breed. 16. The Twilight Saga, which features werewolves, and the television series Game of Thrones spurred a huge uptick in demand for Siberian Huskies as pets. Technically, in both the movie saga and the TV series, the animal actors were not Siberian Huskies, but Northern Inuit dogs. However, people were acquiring Siberian Huskies because they looked similar to Ghost, the most popular dog in the Game of Thrones series. Peter Dinklage, Tyrion Lannister, also pleaded with the public to stop acquiring the dogs without first researching the breed, considering many of them were ending up in shelters. Also, the Siberian Husky rose to its highest ranking of 12th out of 197 breeds in 2015, 2016, and 2017. These were the same years when everyone was talking about Game of Thrones. Coincidence? I think not. 17. Huskies were World War II heroes. During World War II, Huskies were used by the U.S. Army to transport provisions, medicine, mail, and for search and rescue operations. 18. Huskies are cat-like. One of the delightful aspects of owning a Husky is how clean they are. Their coat doesn't have that doggy odor many people aren't fond of. Hence, they rarely need to be bathed. But what's really fun is that these dogs actually lick and groom themselves much like a cat does. 19. There is no conclusive evidence that Siberian Huskies are more closely related to wolves than other dog breeds, or that Siberian Huskies are directly descended from wolves. There are many theories about whether Huskies are descended from wolves or not. But there is no conclusive evidence yet that Huskies are direct descendants of wolves, or that they are more closely related than other dog breeds. 20. The oldest living Siberian Husky is 19 years old. Even though the average lifespan of a Husky is 12 to 14 years old, Huskies can certainly grow older. While not official yet, for example in the Guinness World Book of Records, the oldest Husky is apparently 19 years old. Having a Siberian Husky in your family pack can bring immense joy and love into your life. And now you also have fun and interesting statistics and facts to share with your friends. What other stats or facts have you heard about Huskies? Share them in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.